Does anybody still watch these? I don't know. So, hello! We have a very exciting box here today. Now, I'm not one to record these videos. However, this is a big exception because I actually managed to order from E.L.F. Now, if you don't know, E.L.F. doesn't ship here. So I had to risk my precious money and order from like a resending company. And it worked. They didn't scam me. Here I am with my box full of E.L.F. So let's dive in, right, shall we? I cannot wait. I honestly cannot wait. So I ordered a lot of stuff and I'm gonna be doing a whole video testing this out. But I thought, you know what, let's try to make a whole video, because why not? We have a lot of stuff from the Mintmelt collection because people wouldn't shut up about it. Like everywhere I went, people were like, dude, the Mintmelt primer, it's the best primer. Like I don't need any other primers. And I was like, fuck you people, I want it too. So I got it. Mintmelt Cooling Face Primer. So it's green. Everything is so green. I love it. What's so special about you, sir? So apparently it's a vanilla mint scented jelly primer with jelly texture that works like a glue. Oh no, it's gonna be like Hydro Grip. Oh no. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and antioxidants. Niacinamide. Alrighty. Let's give it a sniff, shall we? Okay, it's green. Yeah, it smells like vanilla mint. Ooh. That's hella sticky. We'll see. Next up, we got the Mintmelt brush set because yes, I have 50,000 brushes and yes, I need more. Now we have 50,000 free. This is what they look like. They're gorgeous. And you get the blending brush, then you get the eyeshadow brush, no shit, and then you get the eye contour brush. These two are more like a flat brushes, but this one is very fluffy. And this one is, you know, like a nice good old packing brush. Yeah, I would use this on like the outer corner or for like some very precise blending. They look very nice and they feel so soft. I like those. Next up, because people were once again not willing to shut up about it, so here we are. This is the E.L.F. Camo CC Cream, color correcting, full coverage, natural finish, SPF 30 CC Cream. It's supposed to be super cool. It has collagen and peptides and niacinamides and SPF 30. Oh my god, this literally sounds like my skincare routine in one product. I have the shade Fair 120. It's maybe gonna be a little too light in the summer, but it's not like I go anywhere, so maybe not. Okay, I cannot wait to try this out. It smells like one of my sunscreens, actually. It's funny. Wow. Okay, I think the color match is gonna be decent, and it looks very full coverage. This is the only reason I keep makeup wipes around. Next up, we have the E.L.F. Putty Eye Primer in white. I already opened this one and we have a little bit of an issue. This primer is literally dried up. I already wrote to them that I received a dried up primer and they already sent me my money back. So I gotta say, customer service, A+. But I think it may be still salvageable. Maybe we can rehydrate it with something. So this is the E.L.F. Sheer Slick in the shade Golden Pear. If you tell me that you have a sheer slick lipstick, it sounds like something I want for my vacation. Okay, who told you that's sheer? It's quite pigmented for a sheer lipstick. I wouldn't call this sheer, but it looks like a nice color. Next up, we have two of these. So these are the Mintmelt No Budge eyeshadow sticks. I don't know, why did I smell that? Anyway, this is the shade Ice Cream. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Yeah, it's like a champagne taupey shimmer. And then we have the shade Mint For You. This one looks like that. It's literally a minty green. Who would have thought? Next up, I should probably stop saying next up. I heard Robert Welsh talk about this, and every time Robert Welsh talks about something, I kind of want it. So I got it. This is the E.L.F. Flawless Brightening Concealer. If you cannot tell already, I'm a very impulsive buyer. It's a buildable brightening concealer, which is supposed to highlight all over your face. It has luxurious but lightweight formula that brightens and highlights the key features. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. You're supposed to shake it and click. Okay, that's a waste of concealer. I have the shade Light 26N, so it's supposed to be like a neutral. It has a slight peachy undertone, so I actually think it's gonna work amazingly for under eyes and stuff. Okay, this has surprisingly good coverage. And it's literally my skin tone, so you cannot see it. Their shade matching tool is incredible. Next, we have the Ride or Die Lip Balm. I have one of these from iHerb. I have the peach one. This one I got is the grapefruit goals. Because what I don't like about the peachy one is that it's a little too pigmented. So when I put it on just by itself, it looks weird. I thought, you know what? Let's check which other ones they had. And I was thinking about getting the mint one, but I hate minty stuff on my mouth. I'm just gonna try it out because it's not like I'm doing anything right now. All I can smell is that fucking makeup wipe. It's super thick. Oh yeah. It's a little bit better. It literally smells like grapefruit. Yeah, this one, it has a little bit of pigment to it, but it mostly just looks like my lips, so I'm pretty happy with this. This is a very specific lip balm. It's not really something you would just throw on any time. It's super thick. This is the kind of lip balm you put on in the evening and you wake up the next day and it's still on. It feels amazing and it looks so good. Look at my plump, juicy mouth. And next up, we have this thing. This was like an experiment pretty much because they had pictures on the website, but they were like not very informative. So I got one of these E.L.F. Mintmelt lip plumping glosses, which I assume is gonna be minty as hell. And I have the shade Mint Sprinkle, and it's literally blue. Smells again like the minty vanilla. Oh yeah, I mean, maybe it's gonna be okay because you never know how it's gonna look on the lip. But it does have like blue, green, pink, and purple shimmers. Yeah, I cannot wait to see how that one looks like. And last but not least, we have not one, not two, but 3 palettes. I've been a little bit obsessed with these E.L.F. bite-size eyeshadows. I love them so much. And of course, the first one is pretty obvious because everything in this area is minty. But this is the Mint to Be palette. They have 2 of these mint palettes and this one looked better, so I got it. So you get 2 matte shades, you get a mint one and like a dark minty one. It's almost like a gray. And then you get like this beautiful minty shimmer and this beautiful white shimmer. I'm not gonna swatch them because I got makeup wipe all over my freaking fingers. The next one I have is a little bit more on the boring side, and to be honest, when I saw it, I was like, eh. I would say this one looked a lot better online for some reason. This is one in Pumpkin Pie. Almost underwhelming for me. You get 2 mattes, you get like a darker neutral brown and you get like a slightly lighter warm brown. And then you get these 2 shimmers, which are quite similar. This one is more red toned and this one is more like bronzy. But it's gonna be nice for like very smoky looks. And also to mix with the other palettes, I guess. And the last one is this one. This one is in Acai You, but this one is pretty damn gorgeous. Yeah, this one feels like the most extra out of all these because you get like a nice periwinkle blue, then you get this like almost like blue purple matte, and then you get these 2, and this one is like a true shimmer. It has like blue glitters in it, and this one is kind of like a satin ultraviolet one. It looks very interesting. So that's it. That's my haul. That's my whole haul. I think some people like watching these. If you like watching those, you're welcome. If you don't like watching these, you probably moved on to a different video already, so it doesn't really matter. I will be doing a separate video and trying all these out because I just have to, okay? I'm so excited. So thank you very much for watching. Consider subscribing. I don't do hauls very often, but I do a lot of other stuff, so I will see you in another video. Bye!